Hey guys! This week's video is going to be about me reorganizing / decluttering my junk drawers. I have about 3 of them. In the beginning I was only going to be doing 1. Why not do all 3 junk drawers and then just get that over with? I have all 3 junk drawers are in the kitchen. 1 is in the stairs and then 2 are in the counter. They're useful to me. But if they become too cluttered, then I basically can't find anything. If you reorganize them, it makes the clutter kind of go away. So that's what we're gonna do in this video, is like reorganize these junk drawers so that it's more accessible to me. Let's see how much we can declutter. This is the mess of junk that was in this junk drawer. So within the 8 months that I've been living in this tiny house, I have accumulated some stuff, screws and all the stuff that should be like in a toolbox or a tool bag. We're gonna eliminate some stuff and reorganize this whole drawer, and then we're gonna work on reorganizing this drawer. So they're both junk drawers, but again, if I want to utilize some more of the space, I'll want to clean out some of this other stuff and make it more spacious for me. Now what I think my goal is going to be to eliminate this and this. So this actually goes in and this goes in. So we're going to try to eliminate all the stuff in here and all the stuff in here. Maybe we can reorganize that a little bit better to utilize some of the other space in the drawer. I have everything categorized up here as I took it out of the drawer. I condensed this into the smallest it can go. This used to open both sides, so instead we're just gonna keep the whole thing closed. I don't know, let me start putting stuff away and show you guys what I come up with. This is what I have left from the drawer. This was a couple random items I put in there, cat medicine items. These things are like these things that you put into water and then they make beads. So I don't use those. In fact, I bought those like several years ago. Probably end up making these and then we'll have fun and then throw them away. All of this hardware maintenance stuff. This stuff in my opinion should be in a handy bag or a handy box or, you know, like a toolkit or something. All extra tape. I actually have 3 in the cabinet, and I'll show you the cabinet soon. More paperwork stuff that I could put away. Garbage that I got out of there. And then lastly, little trinket garbage. I am going to open this and show you what the drawer looks like now. It still maybe looks a little bit cluttered, but it looks a lot less cluttered than it did before. You know, I could really take a lot more out of there, but I actually like it like this. Still gives me some room to do, you know, something with right there, you know, if something came in. But, you know, I took a lot out. I'm going to take you through some of the things I decided to keep. Matches for backup, batteries for things that need batteries, quarters, change for like playing pool, keys and locks, backup lighters, and a tape measure. There's those 3 rolls. Here's 3 controllers, my tripod. And then I've got my pens and stuff like that. I am going to put a couple of these things away in all of their correct homes. And I'll be right back with you. I have kind of a problem here, like a mess in my tool bag. There's no room. I guess I could take this out. That was to my golf cart. Yeah, some of this stuff is like not needed in here, so let's get rid of that. A cap. Put that in the junk. I'm not gonna paint yet, but I'll put this away. See all those things? We're going to put some of the tools in there to give more room in here. Let's see if we can reorganize this mess. It's mainly this mess over here. Awesome, huh? We need to put that away. This we're putting away somewhere else. We're putting this in here. And we're going to work on this junk over here. At the same time, we are going to be doing this junk drawer as well, which is kind of like a tool junk drawer. Extension cords, candles, great stuff. My other tool thing is right here, and that's a little bit more organized, so we're just going to keep that stuff in there. All the little odds and ends things back into certain areas so that we can get to the next junk drawer. Ooh. So 4 cups of water I'm sure would have made these balls bigger. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but yeah, it's kind of just pointless. Woo! Enough playing with balls. Now we are going to work on this second drawer. I'm going to take all of this out again and put it up there on the counter. I'm going to get some room up there. We're going to make this drawer look a little bit better. It's got chargers, it's got iPods, cameras, other chargers. I'm going to work on taking all this stuff out of here. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of junk. Now if we open it, there's nothing in there except for the liner. So we are going to work on minimizing and decluttering that drawer. I am not too sure about this decluttering because it kind of looks the same, just a little bit more organized. I kept mostly everything that was in here. I did take those out, so I'm going to have to find the space for those. I did take some garbage out, but you can't see it right now. These I took out, and I might sell them because I don't use them. Took out the 2 pamphlets to the 2 products that don't work and that I don't use. It looks a little more organized, but then again, it's a junk drawer, so maybe I'll be able to find stuff easier. These are all my plug-in chargeable stuff. Pamphlets, cords, headphones, chargers, change, CDs and stuff, camera, and then my little cat station here. I could always get a small organizer and put all that stuff up on that shelf. Maybe I'll find an organizer to put all their stuff up there. And last but not least, this is my third and final junk drawer. And this is my new tripod, which I kind of got to figure out how to use it. We've got backup candles in here, tons of different tapes. So we're just gonna start taking this stuff out. Now we have a new thing to work with. Easy peasy, out of the way. I'm going to start organizing all of this back into there, and I will be right back with you. Okay, it's a little more organized. I can see this stuff a little bit better. I didn't get rid of much of anything, but I kind of just organized it better and put things in categories. So that was the third junk drawer that we cleaned out. This is the first one. This was the second one we reorganized, and looks better, but still a little crowded in there. And then this is the third one. I just reorganized and decluttered my 3 junk drawers. What's up? What's up, Rocky? Look at that cute boy. I'm gonna try to reposition this. Then if I put it up here, filming problems, guys. This is ridiculous. Ooh, I could try to use this block. Alright, I'm turning this off now.